Hello, I'm Ralph Kelly from Pub Rooms. Thanks for joining us. We're here today to talk to you about how to take your accommodation online. We've seen that with many pubs that they use a book and they write down the reservation in a book, and that's kind of inefficient for your own staff, and it's also inefficient for guests who want to stay with you. So guests like to see your rooms online, they like to look at your rates online, and they like the ability to be able to book it there and then rather than phoning the pub or asking for their email to be returned. So what Pub Rooms do is we automate your process. So we give you a front office management system where it's all in the iCloud, and then we put you online. We give you your own booking engine so that guests can book in directly. On top of that, we also include you on the major global websites such as Expedia and Booking.com. The reason why we do that is they have a far greater reach than what your own individual website will have. So it will give you more bookings because they attract more people into their sites. Unfortunately, you will pay commission, but it is only on business that you wouldn't normally have received. So just a little bit about us. We've been operating now in Australia for the last 3 years. We have about 60 clients made up of some of the larger groups in Australia, but also independent hotels. Our pubs are national, and we really know what we're doing. It's all we specialise in is accommodation in pubs and motels and maximising your revenue. So to give you an example, if you have a 10 if you have 10 rooms in your pub and you have an average rate of around $100, if you multiply that by 365 days and then divide it by whatever occupancy you think you'll be able to actually get into your pub, you'll notice that the revenue can sometimes be up in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So it's a really important area within your pub to generate incremental revenue. But not only that, it will, people will eat and they'll drink in your pub as well. So it increases the revenue right throughout your establishment. Please, you can call us for a confidential, discussion about your accommodation, and we'd be delighted to help you out. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.